Hello everyone, this is the centripetal force experiment. This is the apparatus that we're going to use. This bubble level tells us that this apparatus now is level, it's good to go. And we have an indicator here, and we have our rotating mass. This will be bob, and you can take this off to measure the mass of the rotating mass. We can also add some extra mass here to change the rotating mass. There is a spring here, and there is the magnetic field detector that's connected to the logger probe, so we can find the period. To start the motion, I'm going to rotate, speed up the bob so that the bottom of the bob is right above this indicator. So if it's too fast, it will be beyond that distance. If it will be too low, the radius will be smaller. You want the right speed so that it's right above the indicator. And to find the period, I'm going to use the logger probe click collect. And you see the periodic magnetic field. To find the period, I'm going to highlight from this peak all the way to here. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 rotations. The time period is the total time. So here, this is the time for 9 rotations, and the total time is 8.68. To find the period, that's the time for one cycle, will be the total time interval 8.68 divided by the number of revolutions. Here it's 9. Next, I'm going to connect this string with the bob and connect with the hanger mass. So I'm going to add some mass here. So add some mass here so that the spring will be stretched to the right. So I want to add more mass so that bob is right above the indicator. That's about right. So this is my hanging mass. Now I have 300 plus the hanger, 350 gram hanging mass. And now the tension in the string is equal to the hanging weight. That's equal to the force of the spring when the bob is at this position. To find the radius of the centripetal, the circular motion, this is the rotational axis, and this is the position of bob when it's rotated in the circular motion. So the radius is from the rotational axis from there to the indicator. So for this one, the data, this is the R is about 16.5 centimeter. So this is how we measure the radius. You can also change the position here to change the radius. And you can add some mass here to change the mass of bob. So next I'm going to show you how to change the mass of bob. So this is the 50 grams, so I'm going to add to the mass to bob. And then tighten it. So you see, okay. So that's how I change the rotating mass. Very interesting thing here, when I add mass to bob, it looks like the position does not change, so it doesn't affect the hanging mass here.